Guys, did you know that by using just one tool, you can almost clone any YouTube channel? Whether it's a documentary channel, a 2D animation channel, a history channel, or even a true horror channel, you can replicate its entire content style almost for free. After hours of research, I discovered an AI automation process that you can use to replicate almost any YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you the latest and most powerful AI automation process of 2026 step by step. I'll show you exactly what you need to do, which tools you need to use, and how to use them so that you can easily replicate the style of any channel and grow your own YouTube channel. With this automation process, you can literally create videos that are 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 30 minutes long. So make sure you watch this video until the end. To clone any channel, the first thing you need to do is find a channel that you want to replicate. For this video, I selected a channel that uploads real criminal stories, hidden mysteries, and serial killer documentaries. This channel has gained more than 4 million subscribers with just 121 videos. And even today, its videos are getting millions of views. So, once you have decided on your niche, we will open Chrome and search for Claude. Then, we will sign into Claude. Now, we are going to use an AI automation prompt that will give Claude the proper direction. First, we will copy the entire prompt and paste it into Claude. You don't need to make any changes to this prompt. Just click on Run. I have added this prompt in the description, so you can copy it from there. Now Claude will ask us a question. Which channel do we want to clone? So, you simply need to write a short description of the channel you have selected. For example, I selected Fern, so I simply wrote, "This is a documentary channel, and I want to clone this channel." That's it. Just send the message. Again, Claude will ask us for screenshots of the channel so that it can analyze the channel properly. So, I will take screenshots of the channel's main page and some of its videos. Then, I will come back to Claude, click on the plus icon, go to Photos and Videos, select the screenshots, and send them. And now, you can see that Claude has provided us with 5 new channel name ideas, along with channel descriptions, and even banner generation prompts. Next, we will provide Claude with the transcripts of 3 popular videos from the channel. For this, we will go to one of the channel's popular videos. Then, we will open the video description and click on Show Transcript. Now you can see the copy transcript option. We will simply copy the transcript and paste it into Claude. Then we will go to another video that has recently gained a lot of views. Again, we will open the description, click on Show Transcript, copy the transcript, come back to Claude, paste it, and send it. Now you can see that Claude has provided us with almost all the important information about this channel. It has analyzed the target audience, the hook style, the scripting style, the emotional triggers, and even the retention techniques. You can see how powerful this automation process really is. Now, we will find a topic for our video. For this, we will simply type, "I want to generate 10 high viral potential video topics based on this," and we will send it. Within seconds, Claude will generate 10 different topics that we can create videos about. I liked the first topic the most, so I will simply type, "Yes, number 1," and send it. And now, we have a complete story idea for our video. Next, we will copy this story and generate the voiceover. For this, we will open Chrome and search for Google AI Studio. Then, we will open it and go to the playground. After that, we will click on Speech and Music. Then, we will select the 3.1 Flash model. Now, we will go to the text to natural voice option and paste our script. Here, we can select whichever voice we want. I selected the Alnilam voice. As you can see, the audio generation has already started, and within just a few seconds, our voiceover is ready. We will simply download the audio. Okay, our voice generation is now complete. Now, we will go back to Claude. This time, we need to provide Claude with 3 or 4 images so that it can understand the visual style of the channel. So, we will go to YouTube, open the channel's videos, and take screenshots of some of the images used in those videos. Then, we will come back to Claude, select all the screenshots, add them, and send them. And wow, Claude has analyzed the images and provided us with detailed information about the art style, visual style, lighting, and overall look. It has even generated image prompts for every single line of the story. Now, we are ready to generate the images. For this, we will open Chrome and search for Flow AI. Flow AI is completely free for image generation, and it uses 0 credits for generating images. That means you can generate unlimited images. Once we open Flow AI, we will log in with any account and click on Get Started. Now, we will copy the first image image prompt generated by Claude and paste it into Flow AI. Then we will click on Nano Banana and select the 16:9 aspect ratio. After that, we will click on Generate, and as you can see, it has generated an amazing image. We will simply click on the image and download it. Then we will copy the next prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and generate another image. I followed the same process and generated 4 images. Now, let's move on to the next step, converting these images into videos. For this, we will go back to Claude. Here, we will type, "Do you want a video prompt?" We will simply type yes and send it. And there you go. Claude has now generated the image to video prompts for us. We will copy the first video prompt and go back to Flow AI. This time, we will select the video option. Then, we will click on Start Frame and select the image we generated earlier. After that, we will paste the video prompt and click on Run. After a few moments, our video will be ready. And as you can see, the image to video result looks really impressive. We will simply download the video. Then, we will copy the second video prompt from Claude, come back to Flow AI, paste the prompt, select the second image as the start frame, and click on Run. And there you go. Our second video is also ready. We will simply download it. We can follow the same process to convert all of our images into videos. And now, all the main work is complete. The only important step remaining is editing. There isn't anything complicated to do in the editing process. Simply arrange all the videos you generated according to the voiceover. Then add the audio and make some basic adjustments if necessary. That's it. I don't want to waste your time by explaining basic editing because I'm sure you can easily do it. Once you finish the editing, your complete video will be ready. And if you want, you can even ask Claude to generate the thumbnail and SEO for your video. I have already provided everything inside the prompt. You just need to talk to Claude like a friend, and it can provide you with almost everything you need. Guys, that's all for today's video. Bye bye, guys.